Okay, marble machines are now done for a little while, and so I decided that I'm going to go ahead and build dodecahedron, and I'm on the way. And as you can see, it's not assembled yet. It's in two halves, and I don't even know if that's the correct way of doing it. But what I had to do is first I had to cut out a bunch of these pieces, about 30 of them. And then I had to cut out these little tiny pieces, and maybe I should show it on like this camera right here how tiny it is. And then once it's assembled, then it looks like this. And then I had to print these. This one is burned one because it's too thick, and anyway, and then this piece here fits in here like that, and then the next piece fits, and so on and so forth. So it's a quite a challenge to make this work, but once it's going to have the LED lights and halfway mirrors, it's going to look awesome. I'm following a website on Instructables, where if you look up laser cut Dodecahedron. I have a hard time pronouncing this word. I just try to learn it. Yeah, for some reason it doesn't go out the way I hear it in my head. Anyway, so I'm going to make another video when I have time when I get the LEDs and then put them in. And once I put the LEDs in, then I'll make another video once it's all up and running. So for now, this is just a tease, so you know that I'm working on something pretty cool. Anyway, have a great day, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.